I was here in the afternoon and it looked really nice, but in the evening it's really, really nice. Good evening. I am here at the Mega Bangna in Bangna Bangkok, and in September last year, in 2020, they opened the river valley. And the river valley is an artificial river water system, and it's a kind of a park, and it just looks really nice. And I was here this afternoon and I found it quite nice how it looked, but now I'm in the evening and it's really, really cool. So I thought this is perfect for making a nice movie. So here you have, as they say, the river valley. So the water is streaming through here. Unfortunately, due to COVID, it is not allowed to go in here. But normally you are allowed to just walk through here, and it's a perfect place for making Instagram pictures and selfies. So you will see a lot of people doing that. Yeah, I think it's a really nice project. So here you have the river area. Yeah, normally you have the pillows there where you can sit and relax. Yeah, so here you have the central entrance to the Mega Bangna, but I am going to go straight forward to the right, and there you have a second part which is called the forest area. There is also a new mega park, which is like, it's almost like a kids playground, where you can do rollerblading and skating, and I also made a video there, and I think they did a really great job here to create something special, something different. This is all part of the food walk, you could say. So in Mega Bangna you have all the shops in the mall, and then there is this area here in front where you have all the restaurants. Yeah, it's a 6:15. We have amazing sky, amazing views. There you have the IKEA in front. Here they try to create a kind of forest. Yeah, what I said, I was here in the afternoon and it looked really nice. but in the evening it's really, really nice. I don't know how to express that. It's really nice and really, really nice. So here everywhere they created this kind of waterfalls, water partitions. And here they have like fog machines. Yeah, the whole idea, the intention is to create a space where people can relax a little bit after the shopping or during shopping. You know, you have a kind of park where you can bring the kids. Here you have the nice fountains with the lights and the big red bear in front. Yeah, what I like about this park is that it all is inspired to be interactive. So they want you to walk here and enjoy it. And for example, in the beginning, the river valley, the idea is to get in there and get wet. Yeah, I mean, this is like an extra reason why you should come to the Mega Bangna. It's nice when they come up with these kind of projects, you know. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe and smash that like button, and see you guys in my next video.